Time for some Neo Geo testing. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to test out some Neo Geo on the PAPK 2 family portable system from China. Let's go! Alright, let's insert and going. 1 credit. Crank up the volume. Yeah, I know, I can get the power-ups. But I didn't want to grab the power-up. Little slowdowns, but overall the speed is pretty damn impressive of this machine. The sound is not very clear on the Neo Geo part. It's a little bit of a bummer. Ooh, a classic one, Art of Fighting. Crank up the volume. I'm very curious, how is this game running? Ooh. So for the final conclusion, Neo Geo doesn't run perfectly if you listen to the sound, but I think we cannot complain for a cheap system like this. It's playable and I can still enjoy the games. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.